Hi, this is Joe again, Kingdom Website Development Coordinator. In this lesson today, I'm going to teach you how to link an article to a menu, and that way your article will be able to be displayed on your website. Remember, for an article to show up on your website, we need to link that to a menu item. I have logged into the back end of the Buckhead Ridge Christian Church website. To do that, you put in your domain name here and then put administrator. Then you get to the login screen, put in your username and password that your Kingdom graphic designer gave to you, click login, and that will take you to this screen right here. We also want to open up the front end of our site. At the same time, we look at the back end of our site. Front end, everybody can see this. Back end, only you can see this as the administrator. So here we have, let's take a look at this website. We're going to add a menu item. This is our menu. It's our main menu. In the last lesson, we created a new article called the Seniors Ministry article because we wanted to put a new page on this website. So to create a new page, we created an article. And now to get that article to show up on our website, we need to link that page or article to our menu so that people can go and see that. If I were to click on leadership, it will take us to the leadership article. If I were to click on the How to Know God menu item, it'd take us to the How to Know God article. So what we want to do is we want to add a Seniors Ministry menu item to this menu so that people can get to the article that we just created in the last lesson about the Seniors Ministry. So here's our front end of the site. We're going to go into the back end of our site. When I'm designing, like to keep the back end open as well as the front end so that I can check to see about my work. To create a new menu item, we need to go to menus. You can do that here, or you can do that right here at the menu manager. Keep in mind that in 99% of the time, the menu that you are going to want to add pages to is the menu with the asterisks here. I'm going to select that. This shows us the different menu items that are in our menu. If we look over here, we have home leadership, how to know God, our vision, etc. Over here, home leadership, youth ministry, how to know God, etc., etc. The reason why youth ministry is displayed here and not here is because youth ministry is not published. The good folks at Buckhead Ridge Christian Church do have a youth ministry. They have added this page to their website, but they want to put more in there, and because that page is not finished, they have unpublished the menu item, which means that people cannot get to that page. So essentially the youth ministry page is under construction, and because they do not want people to be able to get there, they unpublish that. Once it's unpublished, it does not display on the home page or on any page in your site. So what we want to do today is link an article that we have already created to our menu. If you remember from last lesson, we created an article about the Seniors Ministry. When we created that article about the Seniors Ministry, it will allow us to create a new page on our website. So now we need to link that page to a menu item. To do that, to create a new menu item, I want to click on New. For you, and again, 99% of the time, you will want to select Articles. Let me go back for just a second so you can take a look at that. Select Articles at this next screen. 99% of the time, you are going to want to select Article Layout right here. Here is the title that will be shown in the menu. I'm going to put Seniors Ministry. The title for the menu item can be, in most cases, should probably be the same title as what the article is that you created. We're going to leave alias blank. We want to display this in the main menu. This will be filled in as a default for you. We'll learn more about parent items later, but after I type in Seniors Ministry, leaving the alias field blank, I want to actually link this menu item to an article, and I want to select that article over here. In our last lesson, we created this article, so I'm going to click here, and that will link this menu item, Seniors Ministry, to the Seniors Ministry article. And essentially, I'm done. I'm going to click Save. That takes me back out to my menu item manager. This will put the new menu item down here at the bottom. You can also see that this is published. If I wanted to unpublish that, I could click on that again, and it would show a red circle with a white X. I do want it published, so I'm going to publish that. We have our new menu item created. And when we go to our home page, we should see that Seniors Ministry is right below the Contact Us menu item. These are not displayed again because they are unpublished. So let's go to back to our front end of our site. Remember that we need to refresh this. There's Seniors Ministry. It shows up right there. And if I click on Seniors Ministry, it will take us to the article that we created in our last lesson. In our next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-menu items. Hey, thanks so much. Take care. God bless.